Hello children, student. In last class we have learned about setting hyperlink colors. We have learned how to set colors for hyperlink in our HTML page. Now let's go for next topic, that is image as hyperlinks. Let's open our folder HTML. This is the visited one, this is not visited, and this also. Active, while active it's blue and visited purple. This is our Ramakrishna Mission website. Next topic is image as hyperlink. We are giving here text as hyperlink. When we click on this text, it will go to the address or website, particular address. So if you want to add a picture, it's same thing. The work will be same as it is. That image will link the address. That image will link with the address, the one which we have given. So now we are going to see how we are going to link with that one. Let's see here in our hyperlink. Let's see here. We have already given our website. Let's put another link here. Let's copy this break line to work as an enter. If you want to use anchor tag, and let's say for Google. This is the Google page. Let's copy this one and put it here. We're going to put a picture over here. So the place where you are going to write that where you are going to write the link, here you are going to put the address. Image source, and where is it? I have downloaded a picture from Google. Let's use this one, PNG file. Let's copy here. We have to give the address. Let's see. Now look here. That image came, but I didn't mention any size for the image. You all know how to put image in a web page HTML, the one which we have already done here. Let's give the frame size. Image source is there. Let's give the frame size, width and height. Width is 100. Height is 80. Right, we can decrease this one to 40. Wait, 80. Now this is the link. When you click on this Google, it will go to Google like this. This is image as a link. Image as hyperlinks. This like this we are going to use image as hyperlink. We can put border also in here. Whatever you mention about the picture, you can mention it here. Whatever you have mentioned over here, you can mention in that picture everything what you have mentioned over here. So we can apply a border over here. Border, let's say 2. Now the border has been there. So like this, it's your choice that you if you want to put a border here, you can put like this. 1 also you can give. But the main thing is this is the link. This is the end tag. Between this, the text we have mentioned over here, in this area, you have to put this one, image tag. Like this, you can give image as a hyperlink. Now, let me change this Ramakrishna Mission website and all into our school logo. If you click on that logo, it will go to our Ramakrishna Mission school website. So let's change this one. Let's put image over here. IMZ source. Let's put this image black one. Copy dot jpg address jpeg file. You can check it from here. The type of file is jpeg file. Here we have mentioned our school logo. We didn't give any width and height. You can give like this one, the one which you have already done, width and height, and border also. Copy paste it. Copy. No, this is not. Let's increase this height. Let's say 80 square, like this. If you don't want border also, you can remove this one. Like this. If you click on this logo, look here. If you click on this logo, it will go to our school website. Now here ends our topic, that is image as hyperlink. You can give image as a hyperlink like this. This is for image as hyperlink. Let's put a comment here, image as hyperlink. Image as hyperlink. We have done image as hyperlink. We have given a link for Google. This is for RKM Info. This is for RKMS Ramakrishna Mission School. This is our test base, the one which we have done earlier. Next is next topic is link to links to email. When we click on a link, then it will automatically open the email address where you want to send. Let's continue after here. Let's give a comment here. Links to email. This link to email is a hyperlink that it is used to send email to a specific email address. We are going to provide the email address which they are going to send to a specific email address. We will be able to send email. This is for receiving feedback or comment or suggestion, anything from the visitor of our web page to the organization or the one which is the authority of the web page. So let's begin this topic. For using this, we have to use the anchor tag. Let's start. I have mentioned this link to email for sending to the particular mail. Anchor tag. Here, we have to give the word mail to. Does it can mail to, and that particular email address, the one which we are going to receive. That is, let's say an example, RKM S H RKMS Impulse Internet. This is not a correct email address. If you want to give a correct email address, you can check from our school website, but no need to give the correct email address. This is not a genuine page, that the one we are making. You can give your email address also. Let's say tech support at gmail.com. Here we are going to receive the feedback, comments, or suggestion about the visitor, that the one which they are going to visit our web page. They are going to mail us in this. And we have to write here, contact us. Contact us. When they click on this contact us, it will go to a default mail app of your PC. Let's save it and refresh. I didn't give any this one. Break line. Let's give some break line over here. Look here comes the contact us. If I click on this one, so this is our default mail app. Look here. Now it's going to send the email address tech support at gmail.com, subject and all came. So let me delete this one. I have to mention this TECH tech support at gmail.com and contact us. If it doesn't come in your PC, if that app doesn't appear in your PC, then your default mail app you have to mention. So there will be a problem if it is not mentioned the default app in your computer. So to do that, let me tell you. Before doing that one, I'll give you a. You can already provide the subject and everything about the mail he is going to send. So here, question mark, subject, and you can write um, about our school. Subject, report about our school. Let's say report, and for gap you have to give percentage 20. This is the space about the word between the two words. Report about percentage 20 our report about our school. Let's see. No, I didn't rephrase it. Didn't came out what? Oh, it should be under the colon. Let me see. Let me change the app and see. To change the default app, you have to go to control panel and just type here default program here, default program. Set your default programs. Let's change into Outlook. Let's change into Outlook. Where is that Outlook? This set this default program. You can change this one. Manage your email, schedule, contact, and to do. This one we will set it default. It will open in Outlook now. Okay. Subject. Okay, look here. There was a little mistake that I have missed B. That's why it's not coming. Yeah, look. If the visitor click on contact us, if you want to mention the subject already that they are going to write something, what they are going to write in the subject, it's a pre-designed format. You can say like that. And the one which I am giving percentage 20 is to make sure it's display the desired space. It's just like a space bar. When you click on this working on word, when you type something between the word, you need to give space. So you have to just this one space bar and all. So in here in HTML, we have to give this percentage 20 between the two words. So it will leave some space like a space bar. So here mail to is important. You have to mention mail to, and you have to write the email address of the up to here. This is the email address of the authority or the tech support team, the one which the mail which they are going to receive. And this is the sender or visitor. They are going to send you the mail to the authority of the web page. Like that. Subject you have mentioned here, subject equal to report about our school. When you click on this one, it will open to our this default app in our computer for mail. To take support at gmail.com, this already mentioned, and report about our school. And here you will start writing and send it. So if your computer doesn't open Outlook, you have to make sure that changes. Again, I will tell you, go to control panel. You can change this one and search for default programs, default programs, and set your default programs. You have to click on this one, control panel. After that, default program, and you may have this mail app, the one which we are doing before, mail app and or Outlook. Between these two, you can select any of the application, default mail application in your PC without selecting this one. When you click on contact us, that default application will not open. So you have to set this one first. After that, it will open the link. Like this, we have to give. Now the visitor going to send us email from our web page. By using this link to email, the visitor of our web page can send us the feedback or comment to the authority. This is this is a dummy mail, or this is not the correct one. Just for namesake, for teaching purpose, I'm using this email. If you send this email also, you wouldn't get any mail. So today we have learned this link to email and emails, hyperlink, and other. So revise up to here. Next topic we will do in next class.